In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see all of the comments that you've made on YouTube. You'll be able to view the comments, reply to the comments, and also delete the comments. So what you need to do is open up the YouTube app. Now, once you're inside of this app, make sure you're logged into the channel you want to check comments on. Then go to the profile icon or your channel icon in the bottom right hand corner. Now from here, you want to go to the settings icon in the top right. And you'll then see manage all history. It will probably be around 6 or 7 from the bottom. You'll see it here, manage all history. Go ahead and click on that and it will then take you to a new window where you can see all of your YouTube history. So here we are inside of the back end of Google. Now if you go ahead and now click on interactions, you can go ahead and see your video interactions. You can click comment, likes and dislikes. And here are going to be your likes, comments and dislikes. Now if you wanted to go one further, you could just view your comments. To do that, go to interactions, then go comments and replies. And here you can see all of the comments. So you can see I replied to a comment here. Love the camera work. And these are all my comments. You can go ahead and click on this link and it will take you to the video and you can see that comment. Or if you just wanted to delete it, you can just click the X and it's going to delete that comment straight away. That's how you do it. I hope that helped you out.